We now continue with the solution of the 2010 paper. The value of x and y which satisfy the equations x plus 2y equal 27 and 2x minus y equal 19 are respectively. So the equation given to us is x plus 2y equal 27 and the second equation is 2x minus y equal 19. There are so many ways we can use to solve this question, but I'm going to use the elimination or the linear combination approach. So I want to make this also having the same coefficient as this, except with the exception of sign. So I'm multiplying through the second equation by 2 whilst I maintain the first one. So I maintain the first equation and multiply this one by 2. So I will get 4x, then minus 2y, then is equal to 38. Now we can see that if we add both equations, we are going to create a zero pair over here. So let's add the two equations to get 5x, then this will give us 0, then this will give us 65. Now we can simplify to get 5x equals 65. Now we can divide both sides by 5 to solve for x, and that will give us x equal 13. Now we can substitute x equal 13 into any of the equations, but let us do it substitute into the first one to get 13 plus 2y equal 27. Now we subtract 13 from both sides to get 2y equal 14. Now divide both sides by 2 to get y is equal to 7. Therefore the correct answer is D. The volume of a cube of edge 10 centimeters is, so we know a cube has the formula for finding its volume as volume equal L cube. So we know that the L is the edge length. We're given the edge length to be 10 centimeters. So this implies that L is equal to 10 centimeters. We substitute L equal 10 centimeters into the formula to get volume is equal to 10 centimeter cube. Now this is the same as 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters, and we simplify to get 1000 centimeter cube. Therefore the correct answer is D. 2500 millimeters expressed in meters is, so we know that 1000 millimeters will give us 1 meter. Therefore, to convert from millimeter to meters, we divide by 1000. Now we are given 2500 millimeters, so we divide by 1000 millimeters to get 2.5 meters. Therefore, the correct answer is this. A boy leaves home at 9:15 hours and arrives at school at 10:05 hours. If he travels non-stop at an average speed of 6 kilometers per hour, what is the distance in kilometers of his home from school? So we know that speed is equal to distance over time taken. Therefore, we need to solve for the distance. To get distance is equal to speed times time. Now to get the time, we need to subtract 9:15 hours from 10:05 hours. So 9:15 hours from 10:05 hours will give us 50 minutes. How do we get that? So you know that we are doing a subtraction here, but we cannot subtract this over here. So let us borrow 1 hour from here, and into minutes, 1 hour is 60 minutes plus 5 will give us 65 minutes. So we subtract this to get 50. Now 9 minus 9 will give us 00 hours. Therefore, the time taken is 50 minutes. Now we convert the time into hours because it is given in kilometers per hour. The speed is given in kilometers per hour, and that will give us 5/6 hours. So distance is equal to we were given that the speed is equal to 6 kilometers per hour, and distance is equal to the speed, the time taken times the speed. So we multiply this by this, we get 5 kilometers, and this will give us exponent 0, which is 1. So the correct answer is 5 kilometers. The distance around the edge of a circular pond is 88 meters. The radius in meters is, so we want to calculate the radius. Now we know circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius, and we're given the circumference to be 88, and that is equal to c equal 88. So we substitute 8 here to get 88 meter is equal to 2 pi r. Now we need to divide both sides by 2 pi to get 88 meters over 2 pi. Therefore, the radius is equal to 88 meters over 2 pi. Therefore, the correct answer is D. A man leaves home at 22:15 hours and reaches his destination in the same time zone at 4 hours. On the following day, how many hours did the journey take? Now we have different ways of doing this, but one of them is this. We know one day ends in 24 hours. So 22 hours 15 minutes, 22 hours 15 minutes can be taken out from the 24 hours, and we are left with 1 hour 45 minutes. Now, you know, the next day it was 4 hours. It took 4 hours for the next day. So we need to add 1 hour 45 hours for the previous day and 4 hours for the next day to get 5 hours and 45 minutes. And we need to convert the 45 minutes into hours by dividing by 60, and that will give us 5. We know 45 over 60 is 3 over 5, and when we simplify this we get 5 whole number 3 over 4 hours. Therefore, the correct answer is B. AOB is a sector of a circle such that angle AOB is 60 degrees and OB is R units. The area of AOB is, so we need to recall the formula for the area of a sector, which is theta over 360 times 2 times pi r squared. That is the portion of the angle over the total angle in a circle times the area of a circle, and that will give us 60 over 360, since this is 60, times pi r squared. Now we need to simplify this to get 1 over 6 pi r squared. Therefore, the correct answer is D. which of the figures below not drawn to scale has an area equal to this expression? So we know these are all trapezoids. So we know the formula for the area of a trapezoid is half times sum of the bases. So these are the bases times the height. So we look for, now from the formula given to us or from the expression given to us, the height is 5. So we look for a trapezoid whose height is 5, and that is this one. And we know the bases or the parallel sides are 3 and 4. Therefore the correct answer is option C. The area of triangle is 30 centimeters square and its base is 10 centimeters. What is the perpendicular height in centimeters of the triangle? So we know the area of a triangle is given by area is equal to half base times the perpendicular height. Now we're given the area to be equal to 30 centimeters and the base is 10. So we substitute to get 30 centimeters square equal half times 10 times the height. We need to simplify this. We know half of 10 is 5. Divide outside by 5 to get a height is 30 centimeters square over 5 centimeters, and that will give us 6 centimeters. So the correct answer is A. Now we have the 40, the median of the numbers. Median is the middle number after we rearrange in order of magnitude. So already it has been arranged for us, and the numbers we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So since it is even, we are going to have two numbers in the middle, which is 5 and 6. No, which is 6 and 7 rather. Which is 6 and 7. So we add 6 and 7 and divide by 2. That will give us 6 plus 7, which is 13 over 2, and it is 6.5. So the median is 6.5. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also my second channel. And the name of the second channel is Tutor Francis. Tutor Francis. So do this to motivate me to produce more of these videos. Also, I have some links on the channel art. Anytime you want to buy something from Amazon, you can use those links and I will get a small commission out of that. Thank you so much. Now, if you can still see this red thing here, it means you have not yet subscribed. So you just have to click it so that the next upload, you see it is still red. You have to click it so that if I upload the next video, you'll be informed. Click the bell icon too so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.